What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video I'm going to show you what's inside my $1,600 Robinhood portfolio, and it starts right now. So guys, I haven't done a Robinhood portfolio update since June 4th. If you guys want to watch that old video, go ahead and I'll leave a card above or down here below and you guys can check out that video. Now I'm going to go over what's inside my $1,600 account, what stocks I own, what stocks I sold, if any, what dividends I've got since June 4th, and also what positions and new stocks I've added to the portfolio. I do believe currently we're up to 39 stocks in the portfolio. I believe last month it was I think it was around 32 or 33, so I did add some companies. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, on the day I am down $4 today. I started off good at about $15 pre-market 7 a.m. and it just went down about 1%, so not too bad. For the week I am down 3.28%, which is about $54. For the month I am up 1% or $17. In 3 months I am up 5% or $77, and I also had a nice peak here of 14%, up $200 before it went back down. For the year I'm up 3% or $45, and overall since August 11th 2017 I am up 43% or $487. So what's in my portfolio? For all my followers out there, you already know that I like to invest in REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Most of my portfolio is made up of REITs. But I did add some new positions, so let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to look at total percentage change. I like showing that off on these videos. It's better than daily percent change because you can be up 10% for the day and have an overall percent deficit of 20 or 30%. So this is, again, I'll show you total percent change for these companies. And I'm not necessarily going to talk about all of them in my old video, but I am just going to scroll through them, and then we'll get into the history, the dividends, and new positions I've added to the company. So as you can see, I have IVR, CPRX, NAT, TWO, AUY, RWT, GLAD, WSR, NRZ, LADR, and as you can see, a lot of these companies are up 30%, 20%, 12%, and my stocks that are a deficit or somewhat on the losing end are not down by much. ABR, ARI, APLE, CHY, GAIN, UMPQ, AGNC, STWD, and if you guys are seeing fractional shares now, I did get fractional shares. I was able to finally get off of that waiting list, and so now I am using the dividend reinvestment program through Robinhood for them to reinvest my dividends that I earn and put them right back into the shares for that company. It's a great way to slowly compound your shares and add a little bit more money into those companies without having to manually do it or have to wait for that share price to buy another stock. I could also buy them fractional shares if I wanted to, but dividend reinvesting is so simple. They add the money at the end of the trading day when you receive the dividend, so it's actually really cool. Moving on, RVLV, GOOD, STOR, IRM, GM, STAG, T, MAIN, PFE, which is actually my biggest loser right now at 11.5%. on two shares. LTC, HIG, AN, WTRG, MU, KO, AMD, O, which I'm up 25%. Very happy with that. GIS, INTC, BMI, and MSEX. Now, if you guys want to check out my watch list here, I have just a few. Aerojet Rocketdyne, AJRD. I'll be talking about that in a future video, so subscribe if you haven't so you can get a notification when I release that video. But don't forget, you gotta hit that bell to get my notifications on time. Nikola, that's been kind of popular today. I was actually watching it on the day trading earlier today. It was like around $69. ABT, ABBV, American Water, which is AWK, American Airlines, which is at right about $14, and INOVO, whatever it's called. Those are the kind of the ones I'm looking at long term, as well as possibly swing trading or day trading some of the ones on the bottom. Now, I know you guys love to look at dividends, so let's go ahead and get into some of those. We're going to go ahead and show all history here from June 4th was the last day. So June 5th, I actually added, hold on, let's start with June 5th dividend. I got a 70-cent dividend from NAT on June 5th. I then added $100 into the portfolio on the 9th. I bought BMI at 66.88. I bought another share of PFE to average down my position at 36.31. I got a dividend of AG&C on the 9th of 12 cents. I got 4 cents from WSR on the 12th, 23 cents in dividends from O Realty on the 15th, 21 cents in dividends from Main Street Capital, or ticker symbol MAIN, on June 15th. I then deposited another $100 on the 16th. I got a 90-cent dividend from Gain, GAIN, on the 17th. And then I bought MSEX, which I believe is a water company, if I'm not mistaken, for $68 and a penny on the 18th. I bought RWT, which is another real estate company, for $6.98. I bought ABR for $10.02 on the 19th. I bought GOOD on the 19th for $19. Look at that. I got a dividend on the 19th of 9 cents from CHY. And then here on the 23rd, it shows my a little bit of the day trading that I did. I bought one share at 2018. I bought one share a minute later at 2053. I bought 4 shares. I believe that's 4. Let's see. I bought 3 shares at 2053 for a total of 61.58. I bought an additional 5 shares about 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, for $87.20. And then I sold all my shares at $11.20 for $190.44. I made 95 cents on day trading. Now, I was up $8, and then I was down about $5 and ended up selling for 95-cent profit. Now, if you guys are interested in that video, particularly for INO, I just released that video yesterday, so it'll be in my new playlist for day trading, and I'll also leave a card above so you can check out that video. I talk about all my trades, the time periods, using Thinkorswim for the analytics and technical analysis, and then using Robinhood to initiate the trades. So it's actually a really cool video. You guys should check that out. Deposited $100 on the 19th, which is still pending, and then deposited $100 on the 23rd, which was today. Pending dividends, let's get into that. 65 cents on June 30th from GLAD, $2.50 from IVR. Now, IVR was paying 50 cents per share. They just cut it to 2 cents per share. I also released a video on IVR about 2 days ago. You guys can check that out in my Strong Buy playlist. And I'll also leave a card above if you want to check out the whole video on my reasons why IVR is still a strong buy. We're going to be getting 70 cents from GAIN on the 30th, 19 cents from LTC on the 30th, 41 cents from KO or Coca-Cola on the 1st of July, 20 cents in dividends from LADR, 62 cents in dividends from IRM on the 2nd, 33 cents in dividends from HIG on the 2nd, and then Maine again with 21 cents on July 15th. This is pretty amazing, guys. All the dividends are rolling in. The account is growing strong, and it's amazing how easily and how fast the stocks can grow. They can compound in interest, and they could just slowly move up with just consistency, buying the dip, averaging down, finding new companies that you guys have never heard of, and the companies that I personally have never heard of that are under the radar enough to where people aren't talking about them, but they're great companies to invest in. I'm a strong believer of diversifying my portfolio. That's why I have so many companies now. I think I'm around 39 companies total in my portfolio. And when they go down too low and they still have good future fundamental, just when it still looks good in the future and everything's still in play, there's no bad news, and they go down about 5%, I'll average down and I'll buy more. If I see that I'm down about 5% and there's bad news and the stock is crumbling and they have negative earnings and they're not doing very well, then I will sell the company. But recently, not too many companies that I have bought into have had any really negative news like that. So again, this was what was inside my $1,600 portfolio. It's growing every day. I'm going to start day trading, swing trading, and adding that to my portfolio to give me a little bit extra income while I'm waiting for those long-term trades to produce dividends for me monthly and quarterly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to smash that like button, click that little bell so you will get all the notifications when new videos come out. I'm going to be trying to release a video every single day now because I got a new GoPro Black or GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got that for Father's Day. I've been using an old camera, I've been using my phone, and I've been using my laptop, and the quality on it's really just crappy. And I don't want to produce crappy videos that you guys have to watch. I want them to be good videos, and so that's why I am so happy to get this new equipment. If you like it, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up that you watched the video till the end, and leave a comment saying that whatever you think about the new GoPro, the new setup, and we'll see you later. Guys, stay inside and stay safe.